Worried about your vehicles consuming more fuel, or about engine not working efficiently? About all the carbon and dust getting accumulated in the engine? Do not worry anymore. No need to take your vehicle to service center and spend a lot of time and pay thousands of money to open and clean the engine. Nonno pollution-free liquid has now just to your rescue. Nonno pollution-free liquid is made with graphene to increase power with less fuel consumption. Let us first see, what is graphene? Graphene is made of a single layer of carbon atoms that are bonded together in a repeating pattern of hexagons. Graphene is proven to have anti-corrosion coating on metal that is transparent, thin, and has long-lasting effects. Its Nonno spray coating repels water, oil, dirt, and other dust particles. Due to its incredible properties, it has made it easy to remove pollutants from the engine, boost engine performance, and increase the life of engine. Graphene acts as one of the active ingredients in developing products for all types of engines which have changed the automotive and industrial sector. The Nonno pollution-free liquid formulation is a Nonno technology, graphene-based liquid. The formula has proven to reduce the pollution and fuel consumption, saving economy and increasing the life of the engine. Nonno pollution-free liquid treatment is formulated for both gasoline and diesel engines, carbureted or fuel injected. It cleans and lubricates the carburetor and injectors, which causes the fuel to burn more thoroughly for increased power with less fuel consumption. Nonno pollution-free liquid treatment should definitely be used in vehicles that require leaded fuel because it actually replaces the benefits of lead in gasoline without causing harmful emissions. Use it to pass smoke tests. Finally, it totally neutralizes the harmful effects for use in diesel motor vehicles and non-road, locomotive and marine diesel equipment engines, etc. How it works. We inject 45 milliliters, depends on engine cc, of the Nonno pollution-free liquid in the engine through air inlet, slowly for 10 minutes. While doing so, the engine should be on. The Nonno particle immediately works on the piston and starts removing the carbon and pollution particles instantly. Consider this to be part of the crankshaft. Carbon is deposited, had made a thin layer in the crank tube. When Nonno pollution-free liquid enters the crank tube, it dissolves the deposited carbon, and oil forms a thin layer to avoid any deposition of carbon in near future. The entire process takes just 10 minutes, and after that entire carbon and pollutants will come out of the silencer outlet. The engine will get completely cleaned. Advantages: restores the lost power and engine performance, increases fuel efficiency and mileage, reduces pollution, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon oxide, improves horsepower and engine life, increases acceleration and smoothness instantly. More benefits: reduction in number of engine oil changes. Now you can change engine oil after 30,000 kilometers of run, instead of 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers earlier. Less pollution by no or minimal emission of carbon mono and dioxide from engine. Do the pollution check before and after the treatment and find the difference.